Hello, good morning, my dear students, and I am going to uh, discuss the question answers from your textbook, chapter 8, the hack driver. The textual question answers you can then afterwards you can do in your notebooks all the questions. There are 11 questions including there are 11 questions including comprehension test. Okay. Number 1, why is the lawyer sent to New Million? What does he first think about the place? The lawyer is sent to New Million to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. What does he first think about the place? He thinks that the New Million will be a sweet and simple country village. Question number 2. Who befriends him? Where does he take him? Who befriends? Befriends means who becomes friendly to him. A hack driver becomes familiar to him. Where does he take him? He offers to help the lawyer. He takes the lawyer to the places where Oliver Lutkins could be found. Question number 3. What does he say about Lutkins? What does that hack driver say about Lutkins? He says that Lutkins is not an honest person. He owes money to many people. He owes money means he borrows money from many people, but he never pays anybody a cent. But he also says that Lutkins is not really bad, only he can't part with his money. वो इतना बुरा नहीं है, लेकिन वो अपने पैसे को अपने से दूर नहीं होने देता है. Question 4. What more does Bill say about Lutkins and his family? Bill says that Lutkins plays a lot of poker. He is good at deceiving people. He is good at deceiving means he is good at tricking the people. He says that Lutkins' mother is a terrible woman. Terrible woman means dangerous woman. She is about 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick. Her physical personality is 9 feet tall. She is 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick. She is quick as a cat. She is as quick, as active as a cat, and she talks too much. Question 5. Does the narrator serve the summons that day? Does he serve the summons that day? Yes, the narrator is able to serve the summons that day, but it is later in the evening when he comes back with the companion. Question 6. Who is Lutkins? Lutkins कौन है? Lutkins is a hack driver who lives at New Million. The same hack driver whose name is Bill. He is Lutkins who lives at New Million. He is needed by a law firm because his evidence is very important for a certain legal case. He is given a summon by a law firm because it is very important for him to give evidence for a certain legal case. Question number 7. When the lawyer reached New Million, did Bill know that he was looking for Lutkins? When do you think Bill came with his plan for fooling the lawyer? Bill knew from the very start that the lawyer was looking for Lutkins because the lawyer and himself told him about the purpose of his visit when he sent to fetch his hack for the lawyer. He made up his plan of taking the lawyer around the town and make a fool of him. Question number 8. Lutkins openly takes the lawyer all over the village. Lutkins openly takes the lawyer all over the village. How is it that no one lets out the secret? How is it that no one lets out the secret? कैसे कोई सीक्रेट को मतलब उस बात को छुपा सकता है? Can you find other subtle ways? Subtle ways means very cunning ways in which Lutkins manipulates the tour. Lutkins is an extremely clever person. Lutkins जो ये सब छुपा रहा है वो सीक्रेट रखता है अपने आप को और उसके साथ पूरे टाइम होल डे वो घूमता है, लेकिन ये सब कैसे हो सका? Lutkins is an extremely clever person. The lawyer is sent to serve summons on him. The lawyer meets him at the railway station. He was cleverly gets to know from him the purpose of his visit. और वो लटकिंस जो होता है तो उसके विजिट का पर्पस बड़ी क्लेवरली उससे मालूम कर लेता है. Then he decides to befool the lawyer. और फिर वो लॉयर को बेवकूफ़ बनाने का डिसाइड करता है, क्योंकि वो जानता है कि अगर उसने कह दिया कि मैं ही लटकिंस हूँ तो फिर उसको वो पकड़ के ले जाएगा और उसको सम्मान जैसा कि उस भेजा है उसको लेना पड़ेगा. He offers to take him to the places where Lutkins can be found. He takes the lawyer to Fritz, Gray's and Gustav's, but everywhere he keeps the lawyer at his back. He tells each one in a loud voice that the lawyer is looking for Oliver Lutkins. Thus, the other people come to know that the hack driver was befooling the lawyer. They also enjoy being part of his plan. इसलिए उसको एंड तक पता नहीं चलता है कि वही लटकिंस है, क्योंकि जो लोग उस हैक ड्राइवर जो खुद वो लटकिंस था उसमें मिले हुए होते हैं और वो पूरे टाइम इसको जो है नरेटर को फूल बनाता रहता है, बेवकूफ़ बनाता रहता है और वो उसका एक हिस्सा बन के उसका आनंद उठाते हैं आसपास के लोग. They also enjoy being part of his plan. In this way, Lutkins manipulates the tour very cleverly and also charges a high price of it. Why do you think? Number 9. Question number 9. Why do you think Lutkins' neighbors were anxious to meet the lawyer? लटकिंस नेबर्स जो थे उस लॉयर से मिलने में बड़े उत्सुक थे, बड़े इंटरेस्टेड थे. द हैक ड्राइवर हैड टेकन द लॉयर अराउंड द होल टाउन. everyone knew how he was befooling the lawyer. Only Lutkins' neighbors had missed seeing him, so they were also anxious to see the man. Number 10. After his first day's experience with the hack driver, the lawyer thinks of returning to New Mullion to practice law. एक बड़े एक्सपीरियंस के साथ हैक ड्राइवर के साथ वो घूमता रहता है और वहाँ पे एक बड़ा एक्सपीरियंस वो गेन करता है. उसके बाद वो न्यू मिलियन आने का वापस से डिसाइड करता है और वहाँ लॉ की प्रैक्टिस करने का. Do you think he would have reconsidered this idea after his second visit? क्या उसने ये आइडिया, कौन सा लॉ प्रैक्टिस करने का, इसको वापस उसने सोचा कि वो ऐसा ही करे उसके सेकंड विजिट पर? द नरेटर मस्ट हैव चेंज्ड। आंसर, द नरेटर मस्ट हैव चेंज्ड हिज माइंड. Everybody in the town knew how the hack driver had fooled him. He could never face their mocking looks, and if Lutkins was so cunning, others in the town could be no loss. Question number 11. Do you think the lawyer was gullible? How could he have avoided being taken for a ride? Yes, the lawyer was a gullible person. He immediately tells the hack driver the purpose of his visit. The hack driver takes advantages of this and takes him round the town. He also charges from him a very high fare for this. He could have saved himself from all this if he had himself made enquiries about Lutkins instead of depending on the hack driver. So children, these questions you have to do in your notebooks and learn carefully by heart, and take care of yourself. Make good preparations for your PA1 examination as to be held after some days. Okay, thank you and